Then niggas wanna look at me, they wanna see what's going on inside of the head of the motherfucking masterpiece, but instead they can't look in the motherfucking mirror, see what they doing over there and over there. Nigga, what you doing, motherfucker? I don't really care, nigga. I done shown it in it, show it everywhere, nigga. What the fuck do they want from me? Coming out the fucking east side of the valley, OP, homie, Lakeview T, Terradome. Yes, I got the robot flow and it's on, let you know. When it comes to a show, nigga, it's mine. You can get your fucking ass. I mean, for the old folks, they behind out the fucking back door with a good Lord split your ass. If you ain't got one, you better be quick, better be slick and fast like some oil. It's finna be turmoil in this hole. This the ratchetest nigga that you ever fucking know. Go smoke, but not no fucking crack. I like to choke on that pookie smoke. As a matter of fact, keep it correct, I'm not mentally there. But if you don't like me, motherfucker, I don't care. Put it on Mikey Torres. We telling stories. He got me driving big rigs. I'm embarrassed, but he didn't get me there. I did it everywhere. I turkey basted a fucking whole 11 of a teener. I mean a whole thing. This motherfucker made my eyes rolling in the back of me head. My heart said he was dead, but I got the lasso like Wonder Woman. I said, come back and shit, nigga. I will fucking finger you, but I'm not Freddy the fucking fingerer, you fucking fool. I'm not a snitch too. You niggas is bitch made. Running around on these goddamn streets playing way too many games. Running man, never did a thing. But a bitch can't tell me where I can't stick my ding-a-lang. I hang on the block with a motherfucking fake box. Be at every day, motherfucker. And you know it's ratchet stay anyway, sucker. Rolling, we rolling, no control. These niggas like the way that I rap cause it's smooth and it fucking go. Not the way that the next nigga want that shit to be. I can picture me on the stage with Billie Eilish, you see, 17. It's not no fucking thing. Fucking dork. Give me a line so I can fucking snort. Man, my nose is so froze, you wanna bling. Hey, come around when my shit's froze, I'm taking everything. You heard what I mean? See what I said? This nigga gonna do the bobblehead. Me and that nigga Hurley finna take a shit. Go and take another fucking hit, bitch. Nigga, have you skipping through the park after dark getting a dick sucked? Wow. In the back of a Magnum, a supercharger. How did two black niggas get the ding-a-ling down that bitch throat? Man, call it Keith Sweat. No, I'ma say that bitch got smoked. Choke on 2 dongs from Hong Kong. This motherfucker ain't never falling in love again. Fuck being strong, bouncing, spinning weight with weight. The shit don't get it, it don't get great. You're going down below the totem pole. Cause these bitches nowadays is fucking cold. They colder than a Marion in that goddamn freezer. The bitches look at you, say they like you, but really they don't need ya. They got the other motherfucker around the corner selling dope. If they like to smoke, they buying Gucci for the coochie and a fucking gold ass rope and the dangling earrings. Man, you gon' finna hear some sirens. I'ma tell you the truth. I do what I do. You can sell dope, I'ma keep this motherfucker 100 true. Hey, I'ma tell you like the good Lord loves it. I'ma tell the truth every day, all day. And anyways, fuck you niggas. I hate you little motherfuckers. But I love you niggas as well. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're a hater and you know it, say amen. Hi, Junior. Hi, hater. We're gonna talk about lips. They say that They say that America's great, but I anticipate the day that it comes back to the motherfucking. Who be stopping the hardest out here on these streets? Who be stopping motherfuckers? Who coming true? Who coming fake? Who doing the telling? It smell like bullshit to me. Somebody smelling. Who can tell it? Nigga, when the time you gotta go. Who can say that they fucking pressed the like button on the Ratchet show? Who can say that they knew this yellow nigga from way before, when his titties was hanging more on the fucking floor? Who can say they know this nigga truly? Who can say that I'm the unruly? Who can say that anyone can school me? You's a bitch, nigga, and you cannot fool me. Who can say? Cause I can say anything.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm running the mug, motherfucker. Ding-a-lang. You rang. A fester. I'm going out there partying with that nigga Uncle Lester. We drinking Hennessy. I mean, it's just him. I get down with the white boys. I drink vodka, man. That part, don't drink brown. Cause that fucking brown make me fucking way more clownerish. I'm a menace shit. Don't worry, motherfucker, I can handle it. Bring on the squab. If my name ain't Rob. If you beat me up, motherfucker, my heart still gon' throb. I'm scratching you, cutting you, biting you, sticking you with what I got. Come on, bring guns, motherfucker, cause you the one that's gonna get shot.
Purchase your tracks
25
today.
to life. If I don't lose mine, I'm jumping in that bitch in this fish tank and I'm doing time after time, Cindy Lauper, this punk motherfucker. As I fucking wipe the ticks off my goatee and tell the bitch to go see the homie, matter of fact. Cause if I'm sharing bud, I'm sharing this and that. Pussycat, you don't mean nothing to me. You the next chicken, the next fucking bitch in the goddamn sea. What it all boils down to.
Purchase your tracks today.
My heart don't stop working, fool. It's just the jerking you that jerk me off. Now y'all gotta pay the cost to fuck with a boss, Rick Ross. Knock it off. You fat nigga, what the fuck you talking about? You got money and all that for a dummy. He's a CEO, you gon' run and tell the po-po. Alright, I'm back, nigga. Why? Nice try. You can't put a banana in that nigga tail pop. But not mine. Smoking real fucking earth rocks. Nigga, stop. Looking like earthworm Jim. That's not my job. I wanted to lose weight, but not hope. My sobacos need some fucking soap. Bumming it. Straight crumbing it. I'm sitting on the bench looking dumb and shit. No, that's not me. That's Robin Williams, G. And that nigga Dino in the back of LV fucking T. I can handle mine, nigga. Ratchet show all the time. But you know what? Bobble here with me, bitch. Keep up. Somebody just smoked out my pipe. There gonna be better days. Is that to this motherfucker get the clouds to go away? And I said, yes, there gonna be some better fucking days if this nigga can get the holly pipe out his mouth, okay? Yeah, there gonna be better days, motherfucker. If you pray, get on your knees, telling me wanting to be gone today. Yes, it's gonna be some better days, motherfucker. I done told you I'm not a real nigga. I'm not no sucker either. It's gonna be better days when you get up on your legs, nigga. You gon' try to change. It's gonna get better when you recognize that you out here fucking with real niggas and no flies. You a fly-by-night type of cat. You say you gon' do fucking this and fucking that. It's gonna be better days when you can say that I'm not gonna let a bitch take away my everything again. She went out there, committed a whole sin against a nigga for a bottle of gin. It's a casino, no, it's me, amigo. I'm out here looking like a yellow ass fucking burrito. Now I'm a taquito, I'm so thin, I can't even get no protein on my blood, man. No rejection from this queer. Hey, I'm gay, I'm happy, sincere. Shut the fuck up, Eminem, and him. Who you wanna be? You're fucking everybody's woman, man. You ain't no pimp. You's a simp. You run around with your big mouth talking shit. Hey, what you say? Hey, anyway, every time I come through this motherfucker, you running your mouth. Now it's time for this little old nigga to get knocked out. Sugar free, you can't handle me in the goddamn torture chamber. What the fuck he say? Torture chamber? No, he said you moving too fast. Oh yeah, he said he smoking the pookie. No, I'm smoking glass. But I'm smoking crack, motherfucker. I had to be smoking fast, choking on that goddamn shit, trying to freeze a lung, you damn bitch. I ain't gonna get no motherfucking more dope, and that ain't shit. I'm not gonna do it no more. He said, yeah. Don't hold your breath. The best from the east to the west, the south to the north. Do this shit like a fucking sport. Don't have to sell drugs. I've been a motherfucking thug, and I'm giving much love. Mucho. Shoot you in your duke hole. I hate you type of people, the criticizers and the ridiculers. The motherfucking didn't go to school or graduate. For heaven's sake, would you get him in somebody's kitchen? Now send him back, dismiss him. Man, it's a whirlpool. I try to keep it cool, like all these motherfuckers. Still to this day, I'm going this way, okay, got bipolar. I'm tripolar too. Try me, motherfucker, I'll beat you like a fucking bat to a ball. Some of these niggas fake. Some of these niggas called it Jake. Some of these niggas great. Some of these niggas, oh man, for fucking heaven's sakes, I just dropped the shit out my fucking pookie. Ah, that was the last of my dookie. Mikey Torres and Silent, come shoot me. Hey, thanks for the apartment. Can I come visit? I won't be sparking. That's a lie. Go ask Jerry. Hey, I didn't fuck nobody. The more you come in and say, that was a lie too. What else? What other liars we have? We shouldn't have no liars. Just tell the truth, you stupid motherfuckers. Hey, I got a great lie for you guys. You guys want to hear it?
Cobra Kai's back, baby! Welcome to...
The Cobra Kai's dead, motherfuckers. The real Richie Valens or Ralph Macchio. The new Ralph Macchio.
World of YouTube Originals.
We're built for these type of moments.
YouTube Originals. Watch now with YouTube Premium.
I'm not watching that bullshit. Watch me. Press the like. But if you don't, it'll still be alright. Jesus love you. Hey, I have a whole fuck you list of fuck yous. We can do that shit on the fucking Ratchet show. Shut the fuck up. Hey, on this Ratchet show I can say, do I have a fucking problem? No, you got a problem. You got the problem. I think you have a problem on your hands. You're fucking with the Ratchet man. Did I tell you guys I want to beat up my dick like fucking 15 times in a row and he kept coughing up white shit, see? I ain't going to sleep, not tonight, B. Man, I've been up for 48 days. My feet feel like I've been walking for 48 days in a row. Nights and days. Moses, was I his slave? Did I build the temples of boom? No, but niggas didn't let me in the room. It seemed that they were smoking. I thought it was the 4th of July. To a little kid's eye, the sparklers, they had the 151 in the little fucking hangar with the cotton ball, man. Man, it's a problem, let me solve them. I got the 6 shells, I'ma revolve them. Just dump, snap it back and just run. Man, got them ghost face killers, them serial motherfuckers eating cereal, the gorillas. Then the gorillas in the midst of them gospel niggas like to play shit. Hey, I've been through the midst of it all. But anyway, it's Ratchet Stay going commando. Oh, I don't got my birthday homes. You can leave me the fuck alone. When Jacob Lethal and the fucking devil get deceitful, we bombing on niggas. Drinking 211, hurricaning niggas through the town, and I'm on 1/5 of what I wanna be on Drake. Cause this nigga ghost writing, that nigga fake. He's light skinned like me. I didn't go to school on Degrassi, I went to Long Beach, Milliken. This nigga looking like a pelican, putting all the dicks in his stomach, man. I say, Drake, no way. Bring that nigga, who you want to bring? Future, he can't tell no future. I should shoot ya. You bitch. Go get that vocal shit. All that old way. I can do it all day. You heard what I say? Serial killer, I'm killing the track. Me and Jacob Lethal finna show how you whack niggas is whack in Canada. They can't handle a ratchet man that's hotter than a fucking firework. Put your bitch to work on the blade. Have her scared she be calling rape, cause she getting raped. Man, bitch, $2 for heaven's sake. Bring back $2.50 if you're nifty. You ain't even got your money yet, bitchy. Who the fuck is bitchy? This nigga Drake, he always bitching. He love Kiki, but he don't. I love the juice, but nigga, no, I won't. Never admit it, but yes, I did. I just totally bullshitting. You's a kid. I'm 43. I ain't never going to wear that old kangaroo. I mean that Jeffrey giraffe dude. Toys R Us are for kids, but tricks are for you. You old flapjack. Ratchet ass fucking not even the half of what the nigga been walking through. This nigga Drake, he's boo boo. So is Lil Pump, Kanye West, Lil Uzi. Fuck Lil Uzi. Shoot me then, nigga. Lil Jon. Yeah. All them little motherfuckers. Fuck you. Yeah. Fuck you. Yeah. Fuck you. Yeah. Got the beat right here in my head. I'ma say fuck you niggas on the track. Fuck you niggas, Lil Pump, you whack. Fuck you, Kanye West. I wanna fuck him, she the best. Yeah. Fuck them little niggas. Fuck any nigga that got the name Lil nigga. I'ma show you something in a little bit. Get up off your goddamn ass. Move something besides grass, nigga. Crack sells itself. You ain't no plumber. Put your pants up, Stevie Wonder. Are you blind? Your belly button is up there with your mind. Punk bitch. You ain't heard shit from a ratchet. Move. It's ludicrous. And fuck little Chris. Unless he making beats. This is Ratchet motherfucker walking on streets. You wanna see where my rubber go? I ain't got no more. Yeah, halfway cocked. Not like my eye, what the fuck? It's looking low too. That's cause all the fucking smoking I do. Man, I like to mix it up. I smoke Holly, I smoke Kush, I smoke Sativa, don't give a fuck. I smoke cigarettes. It's not giving me cancer shit. I had a fucking hernia. Hey, but what you concerning Working? Nope. His niggas hating? Nope. That's what they say. And I hope they can keep it real one day. Provoke the MC, I'm a terrorist. The bitch said I was the scariest. Look what they left. It's a pincher bug. One roach for a fucking pinching thug. But we have a multiple confusion right here. What the fuck they doing? They better. Oh, here we go. It's the motherfucking. It's the Draco show. It's the plug. I'ma call him on up. Hey, can your plug walk, motherfucker? Cause mine can't. He ain't got no legs, and when you see him, you gon' faint. He got electric motherfucking wheelchair. Pause a minute, then we'll care. For the handicapped drug dealer in the world. He lost one baby girl, that's my nigga. He done lost everything, his legs, but he's still out there living and shit. What the fuck wrong with your ass? Some of you niggas ain't real, some of you niggas I just have to ask myself. You ain't no Leroy, he plugged me in to you type of niggas. I enjoy eating you like Cheetos, freak hoes. And he ain't got no Legos, he got me though. Yeah, motherfucker, don't let that old taquito make you think, ho, that you can fade him. Because I know that nigga Jesus, man. Please, man, shut the fuck up. Nigga, you don't know what you talking about, motherfucker. Man, I ain't playing. Next motherfucker to tell me to shut up, I'ma go boom bam. Ollie, oxen free. I'm fast, it's the Holly in me. Man, open your eyes, you niggas can see. I'm flexing, no testament. I'm on the mic all the time. Man, ain't nothing wrong with my motherfucking rhyme. All this damn shit is going on a track. And I bet you once it's engineered, it's gonna slap. Matter of fact, bitch, you ain't doing shit but running your lips. There you go hating again, yo bitch. I got her pussy lips spreaded. About to eat her out after that, nigga, you forget it. Fat niggas breathe heavy. Skinny niggas breathe heavy too. If they acting a fool, come on fat nigga, what you gon' do? I roll you up like a pretzel. Oh fat nigga, you can't stretch so. What fat nigga you talking about?